I'm Lori Coburn. Today we'll be talking about the illusion of space and time. What does this mean for you? Think about it. Can you define yourself without using the concepts of space or time? When someone asks you at a party, "So who are you?" You say, "Oh, well, I'm a farm worker." Well, being a farm worker means you're a body in a space called a farm, using up space, doing things in space. What about if someone asks you how old you are? "Oh, I was born in whatever year." Oh, there's time. Can you answer any question about yourself without using the concepts of space and time? You can't. When you use the concepts of space and time, that's your false self, this body personality construct in the world that is not real. Who you really are, the one higher self, the Christ self, the child of God, is outside of space and time, and your natural state is abstract spirit. In Lesson 158 of A Course in Miracles, we read that time is a trick, a sleight of hand, a vast illusion in which figures come and go as if by magic. A vast illusion in which figures, there's the space, figures, and the time. This is why time travel is actually possible, because the whole world is in our minds. There is no past, present, or future. As Einstein said, that is a stubborn illusion. There is no distinction. All things that appear to be happening are happening now. And this is what A Course in Miracles means by the tiny mad idea, that tiny little instant in which we thought we were separate from God, and in that instant the cosmos appeared to be created. I say appeared because they're really not out there. They're still operating in our mind. So why is the past and the future the same? Because it's all right here, going on in our mind. Like this movie script, or like this zillions and zillions of little slides in the movie script that are all happening at once. And what happens with time is we just zero in from the observer focus, zero in on one of those frames. That's where physics talks about the quantum wave possibility that becomes a point when you look. That's what we do with our lives. There's nothing going on out there. It's just what we're choosing to see. And that's what appears to show up on the screen. It's all a big illusion. It's all a big trick. But we've bought into it. So how do we get out of it? We ask. We ask our right mind to show us the truth. We ask to see time differently, to see space differently, to see ourselves as we really are, the higher self, as opposed to thinking that we're these bodies. Time doesn't have to rule us anymore. This seeming illusion of a world doesn't have to rule us anymore. We are free. We're the ones in control because we're the ones that control our minds. A Course in Miracles says in Lesson 152, the power of decision is my own. It's totally up to us whether or not we choose to believe in time and space, or we choose to go with what A Course in Miracles says and physics backs up, that it's not even there. It's not really real. Namaste.